Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is AGK Prince, and in this video I want to list out some businesses in Nigeria. Maybe you have a lot of capital to start up a business, but you are not really sure about which business to venture into. So in this video I'm going to list out some businesses in Nigeria, and you can pick from this video if you like any of them and venture into them after doing a proper research. So I'm going to talk about both businesses you can start with millions of naira and businesses you can start with just 10,000 naira. And some of the businesses I'm going to mention in this video, there are other little sections of it that you can actually venture into without starting up with huge capitals that worth millions of naira or dollars. So the one business you can start or you can find in Nigeria is water bottling business, selling of producing water bottle, or what we popularly know in Nigeria as pure water. This is a good business to start in Nigeria, especially in states like Enugu State, where there is no much water. If you do this business there, you are going to make a whole lot of profit by rendering a solution to the problem people living in that region of Nigeria are already facing. Another business you can start is running a school. You can start up a school. So you don't need to actually get a full building structure. You can actually start small by maybe telling your neighbors in the place you stay that you want to start teaching or holding a home lesson for their kids after they are back from school. Maybe you are very good in mathematics, maybe you are very good in literature and any other course. You can gather in the children or the student within your neighborhood. Even though you're a student, you can gather other students, tell them that you're going to help them break down mathematics in a way that will be more easier for them to understand, and at the end of the month or at the end of the day they are going to pay you a particular fee. So this way you're actually doing the work of a school but in a little form. So school business is very, very lucrative. Another one on my list is hotel business. Hotel business. In almost every part of Imo State, Owerri, you will see hotels littered everywhere. This business is very, very lucrative. So if you have enough money to venture into it, I want you to start now after doing a proper research. So hotel business is very, very lucrative. Another business in my list is scrap metal business, or I would say recycling of metal or maybe plastic or paper. If you can do this very well, make more research, look for way you can recycle metals or maybe gather them up and sell them to people that need them, or maybe gather up plastic materials like used water bottles and the likes of it, gather them and maybe send it to places where they are being needed to recycle them into other products. I tell you, you will make a whole lot of money. There is money in recycling business, like selling or getting scrap metals to people that need it, plastic metals, plastic metals and maybe paper. Some papers you see as tissue papers are being gotten from schools and hotels. Maybe they used up some papers, like in the school, in the school they are going to go there, gather those papers and then look for a way to refine them into a new book or maybe a tissue paper. So if you go into this line, you would make a whole lot of profit if you know how to do it very, very well. Another business that is very good in Nigeria is plantain plantation. Plantain plantation. If you have a land, you have enough resources, I want you to go into this business. You are going to make a whole lot of profit. I tell you, you are going to make a whole lot of profit, because right now in 2022 plantain is actually very, very expensive because of the current rate of inflation. So if you start planting and harvesting plantain to sell to the general public, you are going to be making a whole lot of profit. And the good thing about plantain plantation is that you can actually start harvesting your plantain in less than a year, depending on the species that you plant. So very related to plantain business is another business I want you to go into or to consider if you want to start up a business in Nigeria. This one is palm oil business. You can start a palm oil business, or you can either start planting palm trees to process them, to process the fruit into palm oil. It's either if you have enough land or the resources, you can start planting palm trees. You can go into palm trees business. And the good thing is that there are lots of other byproducts from palm trees. There are lots of things that you can get out of palm trees. So if you venture into this business, I tell you, in the next 40, 30 years up, you are not going to lack money. So think about it. Another business that is very, very lucrative in Nigeria is exportation business, but in this case, exportation of onions. There are so many countries that are badly in need of onions. Yes, onions. So in the north, our northern brothers, they know how to farm onions very well, and they know how to produce these onions in large quantity. So if you can do the necessary things you need to do, get your business name registered and do some other registrations, you can actually get yourself involved into transportation, exportation business. You can send some of these onions we have in excess in Nigeria to other countries that are in need of it, and they are going to pay you a higher sum, and at the end you'll be making a whole lot of profit. Another business that is very, very lucrative in Nigeria is rice business. Rice business. You can start as a rice farmer, you can start as a rice distributor, and there are so many other things you can do under this business. So you don't need to limit your mind. Think creatively, go and do more research, type any of these businesses on Google and see what you can get from any of this business. So these are some of the businesses you can find in Nigeria, you can do in Nigeria. I am sure you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell to be the first person to be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you.